Hi everybody, it's me Sissy. Today I'm back with the Dollar Tree haul for you. It is super tiny, not a lot of new stuff. They're transitioning over to fall, believe it or not, with some flowers and things, and they're taking up the summer stuff and the 4th of July stuff. And don't mind my puppies in the background whining, they just want to go out, and it's too hot for them right now to go out. But anyway, on the end of this haul, I'm going to do a review of some beauty products. So this video is more than 2 minutes long. But anyway, let's jump right into it. My first item is a food item. Usually I don't buy a lot of food. I just get snacks for my mom and sometimes for my son. But mini moon pies. Moon pies, my favorite thing on the world. If these were keto, I would eat them all the time, but they are not. These are absolutely horrible. They're 20 grams of carbohydrates, 10 grams of sugar in one little pie. But my favorite thing in the world, being a Southern girl, is a moon pie. Take a moon pie, put it in the microwave for 5 to 10 seconds till it gets just warm. Yum, 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 yum. The reason I have these is because 4th of July is coming up, and I have 5 cheat days a year on my keto. That's what I decided I would do, 5 days. And one of them happens to be the 4th of July, because I love nothing more than 4th of July barbecue and hamburgers and hot dogs and watermelon. Ooh, bless you, Mommy. But anyway, I got this for dessert. I'm going to have moon pies and an apple pie, which is my second favorite thing. But anyway, got my moon pies. And I picked up some more doggy bags. This is a great deal, $1 for 80 bags to clean up your dog's waste. That is a great deal. I hate spending money on that, and I used to use just a plastic bag or something, but these are nice. You get it up, you tie it up, you throw it in your trash, you don't have to worry about it. But so I always pick those up. And then I got some bungee cords. I have a rain barrel in my backyard that we made at work, a little class we had at work. I work for, the department I work in does recycling and reducing and reusing, and we have a stormwater department now, so we did a workshop where we actually constructed a rain barrel. Anyway, you have a screen over the top of your barrel. A rain barrel you catch rainwater with to water your plants with. And it has a faucet on it, and anyway, I might do a video showing you how to do that too, because it was really cool, and it is great for your plants. But anyway, on top of it is a piece of screen, and it's held on with bungee cords, and mine's been out there a long time, so they've kind of dry rotted, so I picked up a new pack so I can replace those. But I'll show you my rain barrel one day. It's really, really cute. I made it myself, and I painted it. It's the best paint job I ever did, so I will show it to you. This is the one new thing and the best thing that I found this week. It is actually by Remington, and it's Anywhere Hair for hair and wrist. 4 elastics. Now I'm not going to put this in my hair because that'd be kind of rough on curly hair, which is prone to break, but this will make a great bracelet, and it just fits my wrist, and I just love a bracelet, so that's really cool. But and this is the only one I saw. If y'all have seen other ones, let me know. Send me some pictures so I know what to be on the lookout for. But this is really cute. Got that. And then I picked up some of the Quick Whisks. Some of my friends saw my haul and saw these, and they wanted one, so I got one for them. And then I got 4 of these hooks. I thought I was going to try to stick these in the shower and see if they work, to hang my little scrubby up on, because I hate when they're thrown in the bottom of the bathtub. I got that, and I got these really cute Jot stickers. I'm going to use this to embellish a piece of art that I got from the Dollar Tree, so that's going to be another little quick DIY. I'm trying to do more DIYs to have more content during the week and stuff, because sometimes I go a week or 2 without putting up anything. So I thought maybe if I did something that wasn't so labor intensive and so much prep work, that I could get some more on there quicker. But anyway, this is going to be coming up, I hope, today. I say that, but it may or may not. And I got another one of the little house boxes. These are really cute. I'm going to be doing a Christmas in July, doing some Christmas projects to jumpstart, get ready, because, you know, craft people, we have to start early for Christmas because you always run out of time. But that's coming up, so I got another little house. And as 4th of July is coming up, I bought some of these paper plate holders. These are great because, you know, paper plates are not the sturdiest in the world, and you can just stick one in here and you don't have to worry about it cracking or dropping and spilling stuff everywhere. And then my last item, I told you it was super quick, y'all. I picked up some of the aluminum foil lasagna pans, 2 for $1. You can't beat that. This would be great for the barbecue. And when I get through, crunch it up, throw it in the trash. No wash. That's my favorite thing, no wash. But anyway, that is my haul. That's it. That's all that I found this week. Hopefully next week will be better. There'll be more new stuff, and I'll be figuring out what craft stuff I want to do and start picking that stuff up and show you. But anyway, let's get right to the beauty product review. Okay, I have 4 products that I have picked up over the last few months at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to give you my opinion of them. And this is only my opinion. I don't know anything about skincare, beauty guru, none of that stuff. I'm just an average person buying something, trying to make my skin look better and look better for longer. But anyway, I got this Pond's Pure Detox Facial Foam with activated carbon charcoal. 3.5 ounces. I like this. I think this does a good job cleaning my skin. It doesn't dry it out. It doesn't have any kind of abrasive in it. I don't really know what the charcoal does. The only thing that I don't like is that it's gray, and sometimes it gets on my washcloths and it's kind of hard to wash out. But I think it's a good product. It's a name brand product. I've had no reaction to it, and some of you know I have some videos. I have terrible eczema on my face that breaks out sometimes. Right now I am 99% clear. I have one little spot right here on the corner of my nose, but I'm babying it and it's not flared up. But this doesn't seem to irritate it. It doesn't burn, and if it doesn't burn that little area, then I know this is gentle. So if you see this, I would get it. This is really good. I saw one of the people I watch hauls, what's her name? Widow raising 2 kids. I think I'm sorry, I can't remember her name right now. But she is I think I might be older than her. But anyway, she's around my age, or just a little, or younger than me. But she's not a teenager. She was talking about buying the acne wash and using it on her face. Now, that might be good, but that does have salicylic acid in it or something for acne, and that will dry your skin out. So I try not to use anything like that. They used to have an apricot face wash at Dollar Tree. I liked that a lot before my eczema flared up. After it started flaring up, I couldn't use that. It was too strong. So if you have sensitive skin, I would recommend this. But I would add a little disclaimer to that. I would try it on just an inconspicuous. I can't say it, y'all. I can't talk. I would try it on the spot of your face, you know, like on the back of your cheek here, or somewhere that's, you know, not right in the middle of your forehead. Try it and make sure it doesn't cause any irritation or breakout or anything before I put it all over my face. Okay, next item was this Creme de Nutrition's Skin Nutrition's Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Flawless Younger Perfect some kind of serum. Okay, I use this. I've been using it for about a month. I don't know if it's doing anything. It doesn't irritate my skin. When you put it on, it feels a little bit sticky, so I'm not real happy with the way it doesn't feel like it sinks in your skin. It kind of stays on your skin. This is the Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Serum. I don't know. I'll finish using this bottle. Will I buy another bottle? Probably not, because I don't really, maybe a month is not enough to know if it's doing anything. It doesn't irritate my skin, but I don't feel like it's absorbing into my skin. It's just laying on top of it. So that's a maybe. I don't know. And then by the same company, it was the what is it? I don't know. I can't see. I don't have my glasses on, but I think it says 1% in vitamin C serum. It's the serum you can get. I do like this. I put this on every morning. It kind of feels like it absorbs into my skin. I put it on and then I put my moisturizer on. You know, it's hard to tell. Is this doing anything or not? My skin does feel moisturized, but I do use my regular moisturizer on top of it. So hyaluronic acid. That's what it is, hyaluronic acid. But anyway, and some of that stuff is really, really pricey. I used the Neutrogena hyaluronic acid face cream. So it's supposed to hold moisture in your skin, and that's the key when you have eczema, is to keeping your skin hydrated. So I don't think it hurts. Does it help? I don't know. You can't tell this stuff in the long run, but I might buy it again because it does add an extra layer of moisture. So this is a maybe. Now, my favorite product that I've ever found in the makeup section at Dollar Tree is this, I think this is right, Albolene Eye Makeup Remover. This is great. This takes off my waterproof mascara. It doesn't burn my eyes. I mean, I can just take it and rub it on my eyes. It feels good. I don't think it really, does it have a smell? Let me see. No, it has no smell. I think the main ingredient, if you're sensitive to mineral oil or petroleum, I don't know what those other words are, some kind of seed oil. But anyway, this doesn't break my face out. It feels good. It doesn't irritate my eyes, and it does a great job of removing waterproof mascara. So this is a definite yes. Every time I see this in Dollar Tree, I pick some up. So I have like 7 bottles of this because I know that it's going to go away and never come back. But this is great. And this little bottle, it lasts a good long while. You don't need much. I just take a little bit on my finger and rub it on both eyes, let it set a minute, and then I take a makeup wipe and just wipe it off. But this is great. So that's my product review. I've got 2 yes, 1 maybe, and 1 no. So anyway, just keep your eyes open at Dollar Tree. Sometimes you see some great stuff. I see everybody hauling this new line of makeup that Dollar Tree, I think it's their own line color wise. I don't know. I haven't seen any actual product, but I've seen a lot of people haul it and doing some swatch tests and stuff, and some of it looks good. So I'm looking forward to my Dollar Tree getting it so I can try it out and let you know what I think of it. But anyway, y'all, that's it, my little mini haul and product review for today. So y'all have a great day. Remember, Sissy can do it, you can do it too. So get out there, go shopping, and just enjoy the summer. And happy 4th of July to everybody. To my friends in Canada, happy Canada Day. I hope everybody just has a great weekend and a great week. I am on vacation, so hopefully there'll be a lot of videos because I've got like 9 million things planned, and if I get 2 of them done, I will be happy. Y'all have a great day. Bye.